Hello everyone, my today's topic is the standard deviation. In this video we will try to see actually what does standard deviation mean and what is the importance of the standard deviation. If you ask any engineering student what is the standard deviation, without spending a fraction of a second he will give you the formula how to calculate the standard deviation. But if you ask what does standard deviation want to say, what does it mean, I think there are very few who will explain you what is standard deviation. Okay, as we see that the term itself contains the deviation, it means deviation from the mean, how the numbers are deviating from the mean. As we know that the mean, what is the mean or average? Average is the representation of a group of numbers. Like if you say the average marks of a class is in math is 70, so you understand that yeah, some people might have scored above 70, some people might have scored below 70, but how student scored, it does not give you idea. Like or like if you say the average marks of class is 70, you don't get idea that what may be the lowest, what may be the highest. So if you want to have an idea about that, so that time standard deviation comes into the picture. That picture will be more clear with the example. See, just to reduce the calculating work, I am taking only 3 numbers. If you want to take more, you can take more numbers. Here, this is a one group of number and this is another group of number. These are two different set of numbers. Like if you calculate the average for these group of numbers, so average comes in both the cases 10. See, here is also the average 10, here is also the average 10. But if you see the numbers like 5, 10, 15, if you see the scattering of the numbers are not very close to the mean value. In this case, if you see 9, 10, 11, average is a 10, but numbers are very close to their mean value. So who tells this thing? This thing is told by standard deviation. So we know that what is the formula of the standard deviation. If you calculate the standard deviation, then it comes 10 by root 6 for the first group of number and the 1 by root 3 for another group of numbers. So I think with this example, the concept of the standard deviation is very clear. Standard deviation tells you how your numbers are deviating from the mean value, how they are scattered. See, if the standard deviation is less, it means the numbers are close to their mean value. If the standard deviation is more, like in this case 10 by root 6, so the numbers are scattering, like there is a huge difference between the maximum and the minimum. I hope the concept is clear.